I know, it doesn't have anything to do with barbecue, technically. But some of the stuff that I might grow, we could use in barbecue. So today, I'm going to be building a 8-bucket, 2-tier container garden stand. Yes, that's a lot to say. No, it shouldn't be very hard.
2 hours later.
All right, so here we have it, finished product. I can tell you, this is pretty stout. It's pretty sturdy. At this point, my buckets, they fit in here. And there you have it. So hopefully you found this helpful. It took about 2 hours, and I see this is pretty easy.